angle relationships. After watching this video, I will be able to identify perpendicular lines. Perpendicular lines are lines, segments, or rays that form right angles, and that is known as perpendicular. They form 4 right angles. So here AD in my image is perpendicular to CB because I know that that little box means 90 degrees or right angles. Perpendicular lines intersect to form adjacent angles, meaning angles right next to each other. Segments and rays can be perpendicular to lines or other line segments, and the right angle symbol in the figure indicates that the lines are perpendicular. So the symbol in my example, this is the shorthand or the geometric way of writing line AD is perpendicular to line CB. So I'm going to use that definition of perpendicular and the image or the picture below to find the value of X and Y. So first it's telling me that line PR, so I'm going to identify what line PR is. It's my red line. Is perpendicular to SQ. That's my green line. So because it's perpendicular, I automatically know that I have 4 right angles. So 4y minus 2 is a right angle. And then this is another right angle. So now a right angle is 90 degrees. So I know that 4y minus 2, so 4y minus 2 has to equal 90 degrees, and I can solve for y. 4y equals 92. Divide by 4. Y is going to equal 23. And now for the next one, I have a 2x and I have 5x plus 6. But I know that that entire angle is equal to 90 degrees. So that little piece of the 2x and the other little piece of the 5x plus 6 has to equal 90 degrees. So I could say 2x plus 5x plus 6 equals 90 degrees. So now I'm going to combine like terms and solve for x. So minus 6 on both sides. 7x is going to equal to 84. Divide by 7. X will equal 12. And now I have the value of x and y. Okay, so now you can use this image to kind of take a feel for all the things you should be able to interpret from the picture given. So based on my picture, I know that all the points are coplanar, meaning they're on the same plane, so this is not a 3D picture. G, H, and J are collinear, meaning it forms a straight line. So collinear, it's on a straight line. And all of these points intersect at point H. H is between G and J, and then L is in the interior of the angle MHK. So that's my green angle, and L is in the interior of the angle. GHM, so GHM, which is yellow, and MHL, which is red, are adjacent angles, meaning they're right next to each other. GHL, so GHL and LHJ form a linear pair, and because it's a linear pair, they are also supplementary. All the things on the right cannot be assumed, meaning there are certain things that you can interpret from the information given, the way a picture is drawn, and the certain symbols, and some cannot be assumed. You should use the notes of this section. Keep them someplace important so that you can refer back to it easily and quickly.